Oh, and another big thing. So if you do not see this Ethernet IP in this IO list, so when I do menu 5 IO and I go to type, when you hit your type, if you don't see Ethernet IP in here, you do not have the Ethernet IP adapter option, which is the minimum of what you need. You could get the scanner option, the Ethernet IP scanner option, which gives you the adapter and the scanner. But all you need for what we're doing here is the adapter option. So make sure you have that installed on your FANUC robot. That's going to be a FANUC option. I'm sure you've probably heard of those. They like to sell those a lot. So now that we have it installed, which I'm not showing installing that, maybe that'll be another video that I do for you guys. So hit that subbular button. So and if you have any questions of like different FANUC questions or just overall any industrial automation questions, put them down in the comments below to give me good ideas for videos to make. And I just really wanted to create this channel to be able to answer people's questions that and like whenever I struggle with something or something that I take for granted that